So type 5 says if it is a mensuration type of question, so all you are doing is using some concepts of geometry, that's all. If the length of a rectangle is increased by 10% and its breadth is decreased by 10%, then its area increases or decreases by how much? So you must know that a rectangle's area is actually its length into breadth. So length into breadth would give you the total area of this particular rectangle. It is being said that if the length is increased by 10%, so there is an increment of length by 10%, and then breadth is being decreased by 10%. So we know that these two changes are taking place effectively and simultaneously over the rectangle. So in reality we would be using the concept of a plus b plus ab upon 100, or these can be plus minus based on the condition given. Why are we using this formula? Because these changes are taking place on this simultaneously, or you can call them that these are the successive percentage changes, and this would give result in an effective percentage, right? Because effectively these changes would change the overall area, right? So let's see how these changes are being applied to this rectangle. So one of these values is plus 10 and one of them is minus 10. Why? Because there is a decrement of 10% in breadth. So we'll use 10 plus b is minus 10 plus 110 is positive and another 10 is negative upon 100. These cancels these. Effectively this will also get cancelled. So effectively this is going to be minus 1. So minus 1 indicates that there is a 1% decrement. 1% decrement in the total area. Alright, so this is the question which is using the concept of a plus b plus minus ab by 100, that is the effective percentage change. So there's one more thing which we can actually deduce from here. So if the same percentage value once taking place as increment and in the second iteration there's a decrement with the same percentage value, overall change would always be negative. That is, there is going to be a reduction in the actual value. So in the concepts of profit and loss also we can use the same thing, that if there's a 10% profit and then if there is a 10% loss, then what is the overall profit or loss? So overall there's always going to be a percentage drop. Alright.
If you like my lecture, please subscribe to my channel. You can also provide me feedback in the comment section so that I can make the required changes and improve the quality of videos as well as the content. You can also join my Facebook group as well as my Facebook page where I provide regular updates as well as regular PDFs and test on a daily basis. I have Telegram channel as well as Telegram group also. You can join those also. There I provide regular PDFs as well as regular tests. The name of Facebook and Telegram groups and channels is Success RBI or Success SBI. There's a mobile app also. The name of the app is Infinity. You can join that app, you can download that app, and that will allow you to take quizzes just like you take a quiz in the real scenario when you go and take the examination, the government examinations. So that will help you get a better idea and take regular quizzes of phase 1 for RBI as well as SBI.